Good morning, third standard. How are you? You stay at your home and help to your family and learn some good things from your family till you are stay home. When school will open, we will teach you some good habits and more manners. So today this is our fifth video. In fourth video, I wrote some questions and also explained some answers of the questions. Hope you will write that in your EVS notebook. Now today we will learn or write MCQs in notebook. So first one is, my blank is not a member of my family. So the members of family like grandparents, parents, brother, sister, cousins, these all are our family members. But here one option is given, best friend, that is not member of our family. That is a part of our life, but that is not about member of family. So the mother, father, best friend or brother. So what is the answer according to you? So option C is the answer. My best friend is not a member of my family, right? So this way you can mention of your family members as well as your relations between your friends and family members. Second MCQ is, your father's brother is your... See, our father's brother or sister is called our paternal uncle and aunt, but your mother's brother and sister is called your maternal uncle and aunts. पैटर्नल मतलब कि पापा की तरफ के, और मैटरनल मीन्स मदर की तरफ के. सो इफ हियर यू राइट योर, हियर आई रोट और आई विल राइट your paternal uncle is your father's brother, like that way. Your father's brother is your, what will you say, uncle, cousin, aunt or none of these? So the option A is the answer, uncle. Your father's brother is your uncle. And if someone says paternal uncle is your father's brother, like that way you have to learn. So as I explained, which is our first family? So our first family is our home or house. Our blank is our first family. So option A, primary school, play school or family, or none of this. So the answer is family. Family is our first school because we learn so many things from our family before going to school. School में जाने से पहले, when we were small, that time we learn so many things like togetherness, give respect to elders or follow elders orders. These all kind of manners we learn from home or family. Fourth one is, whom do we respect in our family? The elder persons, right? Or the grandparents, parents, like, but we cannot give respect our youngest, that is also bad. We will give respect to all the family members, but here I got some options. So option A is younger brother, option B is grandparents, option C is younger sister, or option D friends. What will you write over there? We will write over there option B, grandparents, because in our family the grandparents are oldest person, and then after our grandparents we will give the respect to our uncle, aunts and parents and as well as our elder brother sisters, right? So rest of them we learn some more things also, like for example, if I'll say which of the following pair is seen in a family. So we can see I and my friend, brother sister, parents and grandparents, husband and wife. So option D is the answer. We can see pairs like brother sister, husband wife, uncle aunt, grandmother grandparents, grandmother grandfather, father mother. This way we can see the pairs of couples in our family. Now next is true and false. So first is the way two persons dress indicates that two persons are of the same family. यहाँ पे here the meaning of this sentence is दो इंसान एक जैसे कपड़े पहनते वो सेम फैमिली के होते हैं. Is it true or false? That is false, because the family members of the two family members dress indicate is not possible our family member as a same family, from a same family. We can also indicate them as a different family. Indicate मतलब बताना, right? All members of a family always look like all the other members. Family के सारे all the members of a family always look like all the other members. Family के जो members हैं वो हमेशा other members की तरह, family members की तरह होते दिखते हैं. That is not true. That is false. So the answer is here false. We learn many things from our family much before we learn from anywhere else. कहीं और से सीखने के पहले हम हमारे गुड मैनर्स या बहुत सारी ऐसी अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें हम हमारे फैमिली में ही सीखते हैं. That is true. So the answer is true. By eating dinner on the dining table, you are helping your family. डाइनिंग टेबल में एक साथ खाना खाना वो आपको फैमिली को हेल्प करना हुआ. इज इट ट्रू? नो. द वे इफ वी हेल्प आवर फैमिली मेम्बर्स इन देयर वर्क, दैट इज कॉल्ड हेल्प. हम अगर हमारे फैमिली मेम्बर्स को उनके काम में हेल्प करते हैं तो उसको हेल्प बोला जाएगा. मगर एक साथ डाइनिंग टेबल पे बैठ के खाना खाना वो हेल्प नहीं कही जाती. दैट इज़ योर पर्सनल वर्क. दैट इज़ नॉट यू आर हेल्पिंग योर फैमिली members, right? And one more thing that you have to learn, if what will you say to your mother's brother and sister? So you will say that they are your maternal uncle and aunts, right? And the father, brother and sister called paternal uncle and aunts. फादर के ब्रदर सिस्टर को पैटर्नल बोला जाएगा, पैटर्नल अंकल आंट. एंड मदर के ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर को बोलेंगे मैटरनल अंकल एंड आंट, राइट? लाइक सेम वे वी कैन कॉल अवर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स और parents of our mother is called grandparents, maternal grandparents, and the parents of our father is called paternal grandparents, right? Paternal मतलब father की तरफ के, and maternal means mother की तरफ के. Remember always this. Now we learn some more things like भांजा भतीजा, that is called nephew. what will you say? Nephew. And भांजी and भतीजी, मतलब कि आपके मदर के ब्रदर सिस्टर के बच्चों को आप लड़का हो या भतीजा हो तो उनको क्या बोलेंगे? नेफ्यू. एंड भतीजी या भांजी हो तो उनको बोलेंगे नीस. राइट? so this way always remember this all things always. Now we will learn some good fill in the blanks. So the relation between two members of a family who are married to each other is called husband wife. Now we will learn blanks. So the first one is the relation between two members of a family who are married to each other is. फैमिली में जब दो इंसान एक दूसरे के साथ मैरिज करते हैं तो वो क्या कहलाते हैं? हस्बैंड वाइफ. राइट? सो हियर आई राइट हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ. नाउ सेकेंड वन, योर फादर्स सिस्टर इज योर. पापा के साइड के जो ब्रदर सिस्टर हैं उनको हम क्या बोलेंगे? पैटर्नल. एंड यहाँ पे स्पेशली वर्ड मेंशन किया है सिस्टर, सो पैटर्नल आंट, इन शॉर्ट फुई, जिसको हम फुई बोलेंगे या बोलेंगे पैटर्नल आंट. ओके. माई मदर्स ब्रदर इज माई. एज आई एक्सप्लेन, द मदर्स साइड, मदर्स ब्रदर सिस्टर इज कॉल्ड अवर मैटरनल अंकल एंड आंट. सो हियर आई राइट मैटरनल अंकल, इसको हम बोलेंगे मामा. मैटरनल अंकल इन ब्रैकेट मामा. माई सिस्टर्स मदर इज माई. हमारे जो सिबलिंग मतलब हमारे ब्रदर सिस्टर की मदर को वो हमारी मदर ही होते हैं, मीन्स सिबलिंग मतलब मदर्स मदर. सो दीज आर सम ब्लैंक्स. ओके. नाउ वी विल डू द मैच. ब्रदर, तो हम ब्रदर किसको बोलेंगे? मदर्स सन. यहाँ पे आएगा ऑप्शन सी. फादर, मदर के हस्बैंड को हम क्या बोलेंगे? फादर. सो ऑप्शन सी इज द सेकेंड वन. ग्रैंड मदर, ग्रैंड मदर यहाँ पे ऑप्शन दिया है फादर्स मदर, तो ऑप्शन ए. नाउ ग्रैंड सन, डॉटर्स सन इज कॉल्ड ग्रैंड सन. First one, brother, mother's son. Okay. Father, mother's husband. Grandmother. So here this way some relations are given. So we will also says that if someone says your cousin, so the son or daughter of your paternal or maternal uncle or aunt, that is called your cousins. This way the husband of my mother is called my father, the mother's mother is called my maternal grandmother. Like this way all the relations we learn in our family. So I will send these all PDFs with this video. You have to write these all things in your EVS fair notebook with good handout without making any spelling mistake. Okay, thank you and safe.